Let's move to the post order naman. Post order na tayo. So, sa post order traversal, ang sabi dito, meron kang left, right, parent, no? So, you go to the left, no? Pinaka-left. And then, pag nakuha mo yung left, you move right. And then, parent, no? Pag move mo ng right, kung may left pa yun, pupuntahan mo lang din yung left. No? Ayan, parang, ito yung priority mo eh. Ma-reach mo yung pinaka-left mo na lagi. Before mag-right. No, kung yung right mo, may left ulit, mag-left ka muna. No? Then, before the parent. So, let's have that pattern here. Add tayo ng layer. Okay, then hide natin. Sabi dito, left daw muna. Left na ng left. No? So, starting sa root node, we go to the left. No? So, punta siya ng left, 2. No? Go pa rin, left pa rin siya. Punta siya ng 4. No? So, 4 na yung pinaka-last left natin. So, lilista na natin yan. 4. And then, we move to the next. No? Sabi dito, pag after ng left, you go to the right. No? So, yung right natin is C5. Diba? Since C5, siya na yung right. Wala na siyang sub 3 pa eh. So, we can write 5 diretso. Dito. Ayan. And then, after ni 5, now, we have the parent, which is the 2. So, we write 2. And then, we go up, no? We go up. Since itong buong to, left na to, no? Ang next natin is go to the right, no? Right. So, ang right ni 1 is si 3, no? And then, since may right pa siya, si 6. Ayan. So, we go along until papuntang node 6. Pinaka-right niya. Ayan. And then, from 6, no, parent naman. So, parent niya, si 3. Ayan. And then, yung buong to, parang right, ito yung buong right kanina. So, last one, yung parent will be 1. So, ito yung traversal when you're doing post order. Ganyan yung output niya. So, let's double check kung same yung nakuha natin dito. Ayan. So, we have 4, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. We have 4, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. Ayan siya. Again, the pattern sa post order will always be going to the left muna, pinaka-left. Pag na-reach mo ng left, you go right. Since priority yung left, pag move mo ng right, pag may yung right node, may left pa, pupuntahan mo muna lahat ng left, no? And then, you proceed to the right, lahat ng right. And then, pag okay na, then, all the parents. Ayan. So, ganun yung magiging, natin, pattern, no? So, to demonstrate this visually, again, para mas mabilis siyang gawin, let's create another layer here. And let's draw the line again around the tree. No, i-wrap ulit natin siya. Around ng tree. Ayan. And then, post order traversal uses the arrow. Can you guess ba kung ano na siya? So, arrow going to left. No? Arrow going to left. Ayan. So, sundan mo lang yung papuntang kaliwa na arrow. As you go along the line again. Sundan mo lang yung line, tapos drawing ka lang ng arrow to the right. No? Pag may tinamaan na node, isulat mo na. So, dito sa mga first part, syempre, pag nag-drawing ka ng dito, arrow to the right, sabi ko, to the left, no? So, wala ka naman tatamaan dyan. So, wala yung output, no? So, sundan mo lang yan. Pagdating mo dito sa part na to, pag dito ka nag-drawing ng arrow to the right, tatamaan mo si 4. Ay, ba't to the right? Pag dito ka nag-drawing ng arrow to the left, tatamaan mo si 4. So, you display 4. And then, sundan mo ulit yung linya, sundan mo lang. pagdating sa part na to, pag nag-drawing ka ng arrow going to left, no, papuntang kaliwa, tatamaan mo si 5. So, drawing mo na si, or this down 5. And then, after that, sundan mo lang ulit yung linya. Drawing ka na ng arrow to the left, no. Ang next na tatamaan mo si 2. No? So, we write 2 here. Ayan. And then, sundan mo lang yung line ulit. So, if you draw arrow to the left naman, wala ka naman tatamaan na dyan. So, tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Pagdating mo sa part na to, when you draw again yung arrow, tatamaan mo si 6. Ayan. Then, drawing ko lang ulit ng arrow, tatamaan mo si 3. And then, drawing ko lang arrow, tatamaan mo si 1. Yan. So, pag nadaanan mo na yung buong linya, tapos na yun, no? That's it. And then, let's double check ulit kung tama, no? Ayan. As you can see, 4, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. 4, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. So, you still get the same output. Ayan. So, these 3, so that's how you perform those 3 traversals in a tree, no? So, in order, pre-order, and post-order. Again, ang in order is left, parent, right. Ang pre-order is parent, left, right. So, meaning, pag may na-encounter ka na parent, no, yan naman lang lagi, no, display mo na. And then, lastly, si post-order is left, right, parent. Ayan. So, same lang dito. Instead na root ang inano ko is parent. Pero kayo, kung mas ano ang root na term sa inyo, mas parang mabilis tandaan, edi mas okay lang din naman. Doesn't naman siya matter, no? So, let's show this traversal using arithmetic expression in a tree, no? Para ma-appreciate natin siya. So, I'll hide this one tsaka hide this one. Create tayo ng bagong